Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I'm a government teacher of middle school and it's a government Hindi medium school. So guys, to be honest, you know that if I talk about Chhattisgarh, in Chhattisgarh 98% of teachers who teach only English to, to their student in a school, if if they if if they ask to speak themselves, so they can't speak even a single words. This is the problem. So guys, if you want to get success in your life, then you have to do a lot of practice and being consistency. Being learning English is the most essential part to be surrounding to yourself positive people around the world, because your surroundings your surrounding is very important part in your life. Without surroundings you can't get fluency in English language. You know that English is a worldwide language and there are many states in India like Chhattisgarh, uh, Jharkhand and UP. There are many people. It's a pure Hindi language states. So many people in Chhattisgarh, they they speak Hindi fluently, but when I talk about English, so they understand they understood English, they can write English, but when it's turned to speaking English, they feel fumbling. So this is the problem. So guys, if you want to get rid of this problem, then you have to be practice more and more. Without doing practice, you can't get succeed. It's my personal opinion, and my another step is that if you want to get fluency, then you have to attract positivity. Without positivity you can't reach anywhere, because positivity is the most essential part in my life, in our life. You know that positivity attract positivity and negativity attracts only negativity. So guys, if you be positive to about learning English, so you have you have to surrounding yourself to positive people, because toxic people toxic people attracts toxicity tox, toxicity. So guys, if you want to reach anywhere, then you have to be positive, and if you want to get fluency, then you have to do a lot of practice, because because without doing practice you can't get fluency. And if you want to get fluency, then you have to do hard work without without skipping any single day, because consistency is the most essential key to get rid of any problem. It may be your English conversation, it may be being a great YouTuber. So guys, I hope all of you understood my my thinking. And guys, if you like this video clip, if you like my video clip, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you later. Keep learning. Please be positive. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Have a good day.